Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Waddle back with a brand new video. We are back at the same park where we couldn't find the other one yesterday. That's how we're gonna start off this video. We're gonna try to avenge it with the did not find. Since we found the evil looking one from the last video, I'm gonna be looking for something similar now because it's hid by the same person. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can find it, and hopefully we have some better luck today. Okay.
It doesn't matter, just look.
So we're back here, obviously the same place as last time, and my mom actually spotted it, and yeah, we see it. I checked this spot so many times yesterday, like it's a little fishing line on the top of the fence, and it's like I checked it so many times yesterday. I like felt it like twice and I didn't feel it, but I guess it just took another person to find it. So we're gonna go ahead and make it a grab in a little bit when there's not many people around. Alright guys, so we got the logbook. You're able to secure it. Once again, it's the same. It's the logbook with a little tiny straw to hold in the log. I'm so glad we can avenge the did not found. And boom, we have a nice little logbook, pretty short. So we're gonna go ahead and sign it. Alright, and we went ahead, signed it like usual. Now it's time to roll it up and put it back. Alright guys, we're currently walking on a nice, beautiful trail onto the next ground zero for the next geocache. This one is another small, we're just walking the path. We're gonna go see where it leads, and I'll let you know when we get there. Alright guys, so we are currently at ground zero right now, and it brings us to this nice tree in the middle of no other trees. So we're gonna go ahead and search right now. We're looking for a small container, and we have to search low. And we have already spotted it here. Look, you can see it from right here. Let me zoom in for you guys. It's right there. Y'all see it?
No.
Right there. It's not focused. There you go. That's the shot. Right there.
Oh, my flower.
What's inside? What's inside?
There's a cat. There's a, I don't know what this is. What is that? A butt?
Eraser. Oh, it's an eraser. It's like the little dog erasers that like yeah, no, not the eraser head. It's like, you know, the little dog ones, like the little cute.
There's no head.
There's no head.
There's no head. Look. And then there's flowers. And then there's this.
A little bottle cap.
That's
pretty cool.
There's a flower.
Yeah, we need to put a pig here. And since this is big enough, we are gonna go ahead and put in a little tiny squeaky pig. And the logbook. And we're gonna go ahead and hide it where we found it. Alright guys, so we're on our way to the second cache all along this trail. It's like a 0.5 or like half a mile walk. So we're walking there right now, currently just enjoying this nice view that we have, and just enjoying the day and nice weather.
One crashing chord, because that's the end.
Alright guys, so we're here at ground zero with my mom, obviously, and yeah, this is literally ground zero. And we had to wait a little bit for muggles to pass by. They're still kind of here-ish, but the clue we have is Big Blue, and there is a blue trash can right here, which we want to investigate, but there's a lot of people nearby. So we're currently just waiting here, just waiting for the right time. And yeah. Alright guys, this spot was honestly a little bit questionable, so we were able to get it. It's a magnetic keyboard. Another find for my mom. So it was under a trash can, and it was like, it's a little bit of little dance game, a little bit. So we're gonna go ahead and open it, and obviously there you go. You have the logbook, and that's it. A little bit dirty. Nice little logbook. It is a little dirty. It's not the nice, very not clean. It's Pretty full logbook. Wow, the logbook's actually, oh, the logbook's really full. So we're gonna have to find a little place to sign. Here, right here. Nice little blank place. We're gonna go ahead and sign right here. All right, guys. So we are at the next location for our geocache. It takes us to a Carl's Jr. The parking lot of a Carl's Jr. So this was another puzzle cache I had to solve for the coordinates. I'm not really too sure what we're looking for here. So we're gonna be looking around and I'll let you guys know when we find it. All right, guys. So we have found the geocache. It is right here at the underside. You guys see it? Nice little magnetic box. We're gonna go ahead and grab it right there. Nice little magnetic little key box. We found it together. Nice little magnetic key box, me and my mom. We're gonna go ahead back to the car and sign this. All right, so we've got the key box. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. See what's, oh, there's a little ladybug. There's a little tiny ladybug with a small little heart, which we can try to pick. Wow, very nice, very filled logbook. We're gonna go ahead and sign this. Alright, so we drew a little tiny pig and Waddle. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and return logbook. 5 cents.
You buy it for 5 cents.
Alright, so we have our little squeaky pig. We're gonna see if we can fit it inside. Oh, maybe. Where's the logbook?
Get your ladybug first.
Oh yeah, we'll get the ladybug first. Open up some space. We'll see if it fits.
They might not be able to.
It might not be able to fit, yeah. No, that's not gonna fit.
Yeah.
So we're gonna leave a little nickel for somebody instead. And we'll go ahead and put it back. And we get to keep a nice little ladybug. Alright guys, so we are here at Ground Zero for, we're trying to do a multi-cache right now. We are currently looking for a plaque with years on it. And we are going to be walking around and looking. Alright guys, so we found the plaque we needed to find and we got the coordinates for the next one. I'm not going to show you the plaque, but it was a pretty cool sculpture. And we are currently on our way to the next, to part 2 of the multi-cache. And currently we're just enjoying some so weird sound effects, like I'm playing Valorant still. I'm chilling at home. I'll see you guys at the next cache. Alright guys, so waypoint number 2 takes us to this pretty cool bear, along with a what appears to be like a lady, I think. So we're gonna go ahead and do the math on the plaque again and take us to waypoint 3, which I think is the final waypoint for this multi-cache. All right, so we're currently walking toward the final location of this cache, and we are going down the walkway toward a park. And we have the coordinates right here pulled up on my phone right now. We're walking toward it and we're gonna go look for this cache located at this pretty decent sized park. All right guys, so it takes us to our newest Ground Zero, which is this little work shed. And if you can just take a little glance under, can y'all see that? Oh, there is a little magnetic box on the other side of that. So we're gonna go ahead and grab that and see what's inside. So we pulled it out and it's another key box. And we're gonna go find a nice little place to sit and go see what's inside. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and open this key box, and obviously there's probably, ooh, nice, interesting, unique type of logbook. Very small, very cool, very filled. Very filled, nice little logbook. So we're gonna go ahead and, wow, that is very filled. We're gonna go ahead and sign right here. Brand new page. There you go. I'm not gonna draw a pig because there doesn't seem to be enough space, but we went ahead and wrote Wahdle on that logbook. And we're gonna go ahead and put it back where we found it and end today's journey of geocaching. Alright guys, so that's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed another geocaching video. Me and my family have honestly just been going geocaching every weekend, and that's why I can produce this content for you guys. Anyways, I hope y'all have an amazing rest of your day. We're gonna go grab some food. Again, these vlogs always end with me grabbing food at the end. But I don't think I'm gonna show this one because like we're really hungry, and I don't think I'm gonna be able to hold the food and get footage of it before I start eating it. So anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Y'all know how it is. Peace.